unboxing. This is what is inside. I think it's a coffee grinder. Yay! Dada's been waiting for this. Be careful with the scissors. What are you doing?
Cutting it. I need help.
We've got a brown out here.
That's
Too hot inside. With your fingers. Good job.
Watch this. Watch this.
Okay. Wow. That's the way.
And look.
So, Dada's got a coffee grinder,
Dad,
but
look.
no coffee machine. That's
Dad.
coming next week.
Dad, look.
Wow, skill. Very good. You're so clever. So handsome and clever.
I'm so happy.
Well, that's good. Because I thought you were sulking because the parcel was for Dada, not for Baba.
What's a coffee grinder? Coffee grinder.
Wow, let's have a look.
Coffee grinder.
Wow, yeah. Okay, here we go. Just drag it along. Oh, okay, that's a good way to do it. Wow. Oh, never thought to do it like that.
I'm opening Dada's parcel. Oh, it's opening. It's opening. 3, 2, 1, and
Exciting.
it's starting to open. Oh yes!
You strong?
Wait, I can.
Let's see.
It's open.
Oh,
Now you're happy.
yep. It's coming out. It is. Wow. Look at that. Oh, cool.
Just
Maxie got a hat. Do a little dance. Wow. Oh. Don't rip it open, just,
oh,
yeah, that's the way. No, just lift this. It's the instructions. Oh, a little brush to clean it. You don't need to destroy the whole box. Power cable.
there's also something in this.
Yeah, I'll help you lift it out. Hold on to the box. That's the way.
It's from
Yeah,
there.
that's the actual. Oh, wow. Look at that.
It looks like that.
It's upside down.
It looks like a camera. Oh, it's open. I want to open the packet.
Okay. Okay. Turn it around so we can have a good look.
Whoa! That's.
Hey, hello. Morning. Hello. Okay, here it is. We'll have to do a video of me making coffee when I get my coffee machine. I've got a grinder, I've got coffee beans, and I've got no coffee maker. No coffee machine. Have to drink instant coffee.
Can I have a walk now?
Okay.
Okay.
Well, there it is.
But can I have a walk?
LaHome. Coffee bean grinder from Lazada, Philippines. Wow. Cool. See you later, Bubba.
See you later, too. Wait.
Wave.
See you later, too.
Bubba's found a use for the boxes. You look like a scarecrow.
What is that?
Anyone home?